How does the oil-water separator work? 1 grid, 2 grids, 3 grids. Each grid has different functions. The first grid is when we dry it and return the oil. The dry oil has water and oil into the first chamber. When we distilled the oil, entering the second box, it's different. After the first grid is dried, this valve will open. From the first grid, the oil flows back down. Will flow down. Then the same goes for distillation. The distilled oil will flow down directly, then flow down. When it flows, when the first and second frames flow, oil and water will come down at the same time. After that, separate in the third one. Third, do you see a white ball here? Can't you see a white float? The white float is above the oil. The white float is below the water. Oil and water is called oil and water separator. Here is a sensor probe. The sensor probe is probably in this position. In this long position, he is protruding his head. If this water is sensed if it goes up. Once you touch the probe will open the valve. See it here. It is for Hanjing to open this valve after it is opened. Then the water here will be discharged downwards through the black tube. Each time it is opened, it takes less than a second. Then the water will drain a little bit. He will keep this way. Will maintain this state, that is, the float state. Then drain the water down. Then if you find it for a long time later, this float is going up. At this time, you should notice that it is very likely that there is too much dust and chorrillo. Block the drainage inside here. It's blocked. Because what? Because this air duct is a bit connected to the air duct. The air duct will blow dust and fluff all the way in. Then it will get dirty after a long time. When it gets dirty, he will easily block here. But it's not normal. Prevention is often observed. If the float is here, it's okay. If the float floats up after it comes, then the drainage here is not smooth. At this time, you'll find a way. Open this here. Open this place and let all the oil out. Open here to clean up the inside. Just use it after installation. This is our daily oil nozzle separator. How to observe, clean and maintain. Have learned it. Learn.